Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will see the understanding of HCF, highest common factor, LCM, lowest common multiple, and finding them out with the help of prime factorization method. In the previous video, the link you will find in the description, we saw what is the meaning of factors and multiples. Right? What is the meaning of factors and multiples? So just one example to help you recall so that we can continue with HCF and LCM. We saw that if 12 is a number, which numbers can divide 12? Those are the factors of 12. So for example, 1 times 12 is 12, right? What other number? 2 times 6 is 12, remainder is 0. 3 times 4 is 12, and remainder is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. This is the meaning of this definition. And what are multiples? For example, if I talk about multiples of 3, so 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3, 6. So these are multiples of 3. So when you multiply the number by another number and the answer you get, that is called a multiple of that number. This is the meaning, and this is what we understood in the last question. Now, what is the meaning of HCF, highest common factor? So when two numbers are given to you, for example, I give you 5 and 10. Let me take a little bigger, 15 and 10. And I say which is the highest common factor? Means among the factors of these two numbers, which is the highest one? So for example, I write the factors of 10 first. So it is 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So these are the factors of 10. Let's say 15. 1 times 15 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So these are the factors of 15. Now which is the highest common among them? 5. So HCF is the highest and common factor, right? So you will not do it like this. This method I am doing just to explain it to you. We will find out highest common factor with the help of prime factorization method. Now what is that? Let me explain it to you here. For the same two number, right? I am finding the highest common factor of 10 and 15 with the help of prime factorization method. Should I write here? Prime factorization method. Okay, when we see something, we remember it longer. Okay, so you start with the smallest number. Do not start with 2 because 1 will always divide everything. So after 1, start thinking of the table. Now you need to have a strong table skills. You need to learn tables by heart till 15 definitely, right? Because you know one of the paper is non-calculator at the higher level. Okay, so let's start with 2. For HCF, the number you pick up to divide should divide both the numbers for which you are looking the highest common factor. So I cannot start with 3 because 3 will only divide 15, not 10. So I have to look for the number which divide both of them, right? So 2 times, but 15 cannot go by 2, right? Because 2 will divide 10 but not 15. So I cannot even pick 2. If I look for 3, 3 will divide 15 but not 10. I can't pick this up also. So which number I will pick up? 4? No. 5? Yes. 5 will help. Why? 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. So is there any other number which can divide 2 and 3 together? No, because 2 and 3 are prime number. So 5 is the only highest common factor of 10 and 15. Let me take some other number. Or I can explain you prime factorization with the help of single number first, in case if you are struggling what I am doing here, right? Because maybe you don't understand prime factorization. So let me explain it to you first. Then I will come back to highest common factor. Let me pick up 36. And if I say, what are the factors, prime factors of 36? Okay, so I will start with the smallest number. Now 2 times 1 is 2, but what is here? 3. So I have to count the table so that I have answer less than 3. So 2 times 1 is 2, but this is 3. So 1 is left. I will move it with 16. With 6. So it will become 16. Now 2 times 8 is 16. It means 2 times 18 is 36. Okay. Now again, because 18 is an even number, I can divide it by 2. So 2 times 9 is 18. Perfect. 2 times, no, 9 does not come in the table of 2. So let's start with 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. Finish. Once you get 1 at the end, it means the prime factorization method is finished. And if I ask you what are the prime factors of 36, what are the prime factors of 36, you will say 2, 2, 3, 3. So basically, if I write in the index form, because you have studied it before, it is 2 power 2 because there are 2 2's, and it is 3 power 2. So this is the method of prime factorization for any number, and this is the method we are applying here to find the HCF and LCM. Let's pick up for HCF now. So let me pick up now, for example, number 36 and 40. Big number or small number? Which one should I pick up? So let me pick up 16 and 36, for example. I'm finding out the highest common factor of 16 and 36. So which is the highest common factor for these two numbers? So rather than doing the method that I write all the factors of 16 and I write all the factors of 36 and then pick up the highest common, it is long and tedious. So easy method is prime factorization method. Okay. 16 and 36. I just told you, you should start with the smallest number. Now 16 and 36 are both even. They can go by the table of 2. 2 8s are 16. And here it is a big number. I will start with 2 1s are 2. 1 is left. I will write it along 6. It will become 16. And 2 8s are 16. Now again 8 and 18 are even number. I will divide them by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Right? Now which number can divide both of them? No number, na? Because 4 and 9 cannot come in the same table together. So my highest common factor is 2 times 2. I multiply the numbers given here. So highest common factor of 16 and 36 is 4. If I see, suppose if I want to check I'm right or not, I can write here for 16 the factors. 1 times 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Similarly for 36, I can write it is 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12. What else? 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is also 36. So these are the factors of 36 and these are the factors of 16. So what is the highest common factor you see here? 4 na, because 4 is present in both. So this method is little lengthy. Prime factorization helps you to figure it out very quickly. Let's do one more example. Let me take another example to make you understand. Okay, for example, I am taking 12 and 20. I want to find out the highest common factor of 12 and 20. So what will I do? Starting with the smallest table, 12 and 20 are even numbers. So 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20. Again with the table of 2 I can cancel. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now I cannot cancel 3 and 5 by the same number because they do not come in the same table. So my highest common factor is, I will multiply them, is 4. You understand? So this is how you find the highest common factor. So now come to LCM. What is least common multiple? Because we have to study. So we will find the least common multiple of the same examples we have taken here. So 16 and 36 for example, so that you can understand the difference. Okay. So first of all, let's find out the least common multiple of 16 and 36 with the help of prime factorization. Okay, now again I'm repeating, you need to have strong tables when you are doing the questions of LCM and HCF. Now I will start with the smallest number. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 1 will carry forward here, it will become 16, 2 8s are 16. Then again, because they are even number, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. In case of HCF, we stopped here because there is no other number which can divide 4 and 9 together. But in LCM, there is no such condition of together. Even if I can divide one of the number, I will carry on. So for example, 4 can be divided by the table of 2. So I will do 2 2s are 4 and this number I will just write as it is, as it is. This is the difference between the method of finding HCF and LCM. Now again I will go by the table of 2 because this can be divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and this I will write as it is. Now I have gotten 1 here. I will move on to 9. How can I divide it by 3? This I will copy down as it is. 3 3s are 9. Again I will go by the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. So until you get 1 1 here, you carry on your procedure. So now you multiply all of them, right? So it is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So again, your tables need to have very strong skills. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Now 16 times 3, suppose I don't know the table of 3 for example, and 3 times 3 I know is 9. So till here when I multiply, it is coming 16 and this is 9. So after that I just need to multiply these numbers and we all know this division. We can do it. 9 6 are 54, 9 1s are 9 plus 5 is 14, 144. So least common multiple of 16 and 36 is 144. And if somebody asks you to write down this LCM in prime index notation, I'm just giving you extra information. Then in index notation, it will be 2 power 4 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 2's and 3 power 2. This is the index notation of the LCM of 16 and 36. Now let's do the other example which we did here, 12 and 20. So now we will find out the LCM of 12 and 20. Okay. And after that we'll finish the video. Okay. 12 and 20. Again for LCM or HCF, we start with the smallest number. They are even number, so I will see 2. Even if one of the number go by the table of 2, another does not. For example, I had here 15 and 15 does not come in the table of 2. I will start with 2. Why? Because one of the number can divide by 2. So you always start like this. So 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20. Again with the table of 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now 3 and 5 cannot go by the table of 2. So let's go to the next number, which is 3. This can go by the table of 3. You have to go to the next number always and check. So 3 times 1 is 3. 5 does not come in the table of 3. I will copy it down as it is. Now 1 and 5 does not come in the table of 3. Let's check by 4. No, they cannot divide by 4. Then come to 5. So 5 ones are 5. So what is the LCM of 12 and 20? You will say 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. If you don't know, you can simply multiply and check. 5 2s are 10 and 60. So LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. So this is called finding it out, HCF and LCM, by the method of prime factorization, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and press what? Like and subscribe button. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.